We have our next question which says given the data set work.bp with the following variable list and the following SAS program is submitted. So we have been given that a data proc contents of a data set which says there are three variables diabp, PTNO, SysBP. So the diastolic blood pressure, patient number and systolic blood pressure are present, and diabp is a numeric variable, SysBP is a numeric variable, patient number is a character variable, and it says the following SAS program is submitted. The program is ODS select extreme OBS proc univariate on data is equal to work.pp. The analysis variable is specified as diabp using var statement, and ID statement has been used to specify PTNO. By default, proc univariate produces multiple output objects, but here in this case, ODS select statement has been used to subset the output objects to only extreme OBS. So this question is testing our understanding on the extreme OBS output object, which is generated by default by proc univariate. What this option does is it gives us the 5 lowest and 5 highest values for the specified analysis variables, and it is also testing our understanding on the usage of ID statement in combination with extreme OBS. So what happens with extreme OBS in combination with ID is it actually lists the ID variable specified as well along with the 5 lowest and 5 highest values. So let us see the options provided and see which option could be the correct. So if we see here on the first option, so extreme observations has been output, and as discussed it gives us lowest and highest values, but it actually gives us 5 lowest and 5 highest. So on the first option we only have one lowest and one highest value being reported. So this is not the correct answer. In the next option, so it only again one option, one lowest and one highest value is being reported. And in the third option, so we have our 5 lowest and 5 highest values, 1, 2, 3, 4, and values being displayed. And here it is only displaying the lowest value and the associated observation number. But we have used ID statement and specified patient number on the ID statement. So what it does is it actually if we had not used ID statement, so this would have been the output produced. But in combination with output ID statement, it actually lists the value in the variable specified on ID statement for that lowest value or highest value. So here in this case, if you see, it has listed the 5 lowest values and the observation number and the variable specified on the ID statement and the value in the PT number variable. So here 62, the output of this can be read as 62 value is found on a patient number 5023, and the observation number for this value 62 of patient 5023 in the input data set is 129. So this is the correct option. So if you see, the correct option has 5 lowest and highest values along with the observation number and also the variable and associated values listed in the ID statement.